Hello, this is Gary from our Paradise Farm in Florida. This is one of our fig trees, 3 peach trees, and then this fig tree, we're not sure if it's going to live or die. It got badly frostbitten. It's been a long time since I posted. My wife's got 51 tomato plants. This is the only hoop that we've created so far. We wanted to do more. Things aren't going well. As you see, there's more weeds than plants. We planted in April, and all the rain we had in April, I think, washed all the seeds away. This is what we did today, digging this out, digging all the weeds. I cut the grass, a weed, the lawn, whatever you want to call this mess, the field, down. It was way high, and I need to rototill it to get rid of it and keep it rototilled. Over here where those flags are, that's our corn, sweet corn. Told my sister-in-law 30 feet. Well, I was wrong. The whole field is 225 feet long, 125 feet wide. And we have 14 rows of corn. And I'm not doing any more. I was going to do a 15th row, but I'm not. It is approximately 150 feet long. So that's a lot of sweet corn. We'll see what comes up, what don't. And so we planted a lot of watermelon. We planted a lot of different things and pretty much got washed out. We'll see what really turns up now at the end. We're going to be turn around and replant, but we're going to have to do seedlings first and get things growing. I'm going to try to be, we're going to be digging the rest of this out tomorrow. I will be in the morning. And then I'm going to be taking a rototiller between rows and trying to get rid of most of these weeds with the rototiller. It's at least 2 feet space. Rototiller runs 2 feet in the tomatoes. And then we'll see what happens after that. So anyway, this is what we're doing. We are officially now living at the farm as of May 1st. That was our start date. It doesn't mean we are really doing any good. The kitchen is still not done. I am working on finishing up electrical so I can put the kitchen sink back in. We have no kitchen sink. We are washing stuff in the tub. Yes, it is a sunset, and it's evening. Neighbor just drove by and waved at me. I love that. That's what this neighborhood is all about. Farming is about neighbor helping neighbor and being friendly enough to wave at each other, not snub you. Okay, I got all these trees that need bushes. I'm gonna eventually drag them to another location. I don't want them near this tree or any other tree when I burn them. I want to make sure nothing else gets fired. So this is on the 10th. This is Tuesday the 10th of May, 2022. Yeah, 22. Anyways, here we are. I'm going to pack this is not my mule. My John Deere is my mule. I strap things on top of it and take it where I gotta go. This is where I'll put my gas and I drive. And I got cut. And I work. And it's dirty. And process of making a tomato cage out of, if you can see it, that is a cement square. It's a square wire you put in your cement frame or floor. Oh boy, I'm tired. You put in your foundation. Therefore, I'm cutting it in half, and each pair, or each one, makes me a pair of tomato cages. So I'm using hog rings and put it together. So anyways, it's just a taste of what we're doing, what's going on. And yeah, I work tomorrow night. I have a part-time job, yes. I do have a part-time job at the Christian college. I'm a chaperone. So I get to work late at night. Get all I want to do during the day done, and then I work at night. Isn't that great? And I get paid for it. It's not just a hobby. Anyways, oh, we saw a fox today. Believe it or not. He was over here, and there was a black crow giving him the hard time. Pestering him, flying at him, because he's a predator. That's what foxes are. They eat what they can get. So, anyways. Well, you folks have a great time. This is the first time I've posted in a long time. I've got stuff I've prepped for, and I haven't posted it. They're all green, unedited. I haven't had the time to edit because I've been doing a lot of things here. I'm just going to go ahead and post this as is. So as green and raw as this is what you're getting. So anyways, if you like what you see, want to follow along, you know the process. I'm not going to continually repeat it because it's not necessary. This is mostly for family and friends, and anybody else who runs across it is welcome to see it. I'm going to eventually change the channel to our actual farm name, Our Paradise Farm, Florida, FL. But right now it's still under the name of Key Man for You Farm, and it will be changing soon. Just I've got things I got to finish up and do. Well, talk to you later. Have a great night.